In this video, we guide you through how to fix Apple Pay pending payment. First thing you need to do is open the Wallet app and check the payment status to see if it's pending due to bank processing or verification, because some payments take time to clear. Next, confirm that your internet connection is stable and that Apple Pay services are not experiencing temporary delays. Then, wait up to 24 hours since pending payments often resolve automatically. After that, restart your device, update to the latest iOS version, and avoid making repeated payments that could cause further holds. And if the payment is still pending after a full day, contact your bank to ask if the transaction is being reviewed or held. Then, reach out to Apple support with the transaction details for further assistance. So that's it.